Fertilization and implantation. The first thing is the sexual contact or copulation or intercourse. And then the fusion between the sperm and egg within the fallopian tube of female reproductive system, and this process is called as what? Fertilization. And after the fertilization, the division of the cells occurs, that is the single cell zygote becomes the multicellular embryo, and this process is called as, or the process of division is called as cleavage. And then within the fallopian tube, we know the junction, that is the ampullary ischemic junction, and from this junction it start moving to the uterus. And within this time, that is, it requires 3 days, and within this 3 days, the single cell zygote will become 8 to 16 cell stage called morula or little mulberry stage. At this stage, it enters uterus. So the stage at which it enters the uterus is the morula or little mulberry stage. And then after entering the uterus, it remains there for 3 more days. And within this time, the inpushing of cells from one side occurs, resulting the formation of a cavity called blastocele. And this stage is called blastula or blastocyst. At this stage, implantation occurs. Okay, so the stage at which it enters the uterus is the morula or little mulberry stage, and the stage at which the implantation occurs is the blastula stage. Thus, the implantation occurs 6 days after fertilization. Okay. Then this blastula, it is 2-layered. The outer layer is called trophoblast and inner layer is called inner cell mass. Trophoblast becomes placenta and inner cell mass becomes the embryo. Okay, so that is from the embryo, the finger-shaped structures called chorionic villi arises, and then from the uterus also finger-shaped structures arises, and these finger-shaped structures get interdigitated. They get fused to each other to form the placenta. The next stage is the inner cell mass becomes the 3-layered structure called gastrula, and the 3 layers are outer ectoderm, middle mesoderm, and inner endoderm. And ectoderm is the first formed layer, and the endoderm is the second formed layer, and the mesoderm is the last formed layer. Okay, and these layers are called as embryonic layers or germ layers because from these layers the different organs are formed. So that is, after the gastrula process, organogenesis occurs, resulting the formation of fully developed baby. So the different stages are, first is the zygote within the fallopian tube, and then the blastula stage inside the uterus, and then it becomes the gastrula, and then finally the baby.